Hello students, welcome once again. Myself Dr. Yogesh Kumar Ganorkar. I am going to learn how to draw histological diagram of muscular artery or median size artery. Okay, so let's begin with it. First, we have to draw a box in which we have to draw a diagram. Then as you already know, there are the three parts: tunica intima, tunica media, and tunica adventitia. Okay, so the first start with this tunica intima. In the tunica intima, there is presence of this endothelium. Okay, or you may call it as simple squamous epithelium. This is endothelium or the simple squamous epithelium, with having this flat nuclei in it. Okay. Below the endothelium, there is a presence of the subendothelial connective tissue. Okay, and the most prominent feature is that is internal elastic lamina, which is a very prominent. Okay, so this is internal elastic lamina, which is prominent. Okay, and there is also external elastic lamina, which is less prominent. So what is the important feature? This muscular artery having this numerous smooth muscle fiber in it. Okay. Below that, so this is subendothelial connective tissue. Okay. And here are the numerous smooth muscles. These are the smooth muscle cells. Okay. And here are the nucleus of this smooth muscle cell. Okay, and in between the smooth muscle cells there are the very few elastic fibers. These are the very less in number. Okay, these are the smooth muscle. Okay, and here are the some elastic fibers. Okay, and below this external elastic lamina there is a presence of tunica adventitia. This is a tunica adventitia. Okay, the vasa vasorum is absent in this tunica adventitia in the muscular artery. Okay, so let's make this diagram more beautiful. This is your endothelium. Okay, and below that there is a subendothelial connective tissue. Prominent internal elastic lamina. Numerous smooth muscles. Less elastic fibers. Okay, so this is the histological diagram of muscular artery. Okay, so now let's label it. What is this? This is a again endothelium. Okay, this is a subendothelial connective tissue. What is this? This is the prominent internal elastic lamina. Okay, here are the very large number of smooth muscle fiber, and these are the small number of elastic fiber. Okay, and this is a tunica adventitia. This is called as tunica adventitia. Okay, this is endothelium and the internal elastic lamina. This is the tunica intima. In between these two lamina, the tunica media, and below that, that is the tunica adventitia. Okay, so now we label it as muscular artery. Okay, or you may call it as medium size artery. Okay, so this is the histological diagram of muscular artery and medium size artery. I hope you learn how to draw the diagram very well. Thank you.